So, what was my life like before MS, right? And what has changed? That is exactly what I'm going to cover in this particular video. So, welcome you again to my channel, Exploring MS. If you haven't subscribed, just a reminder, please to go ahead and subscribe. सो आज का टॉपिक जो मुझे लगा कि काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है क्योंकि यू नो इफ व्हेन एवर ऑफ कोर्स whoever is suffering from MS, I'm sure your life before the diagnosis was totally different than what it is now, right? So I thought कि let me share मेरा क्या था before and after. So I think before MS, I was even giving a thought about it, like, a couple of days back and even till yesterday. Life was very simple and carefree. Simple to khair abhi bhi hai, but I think at that point in time, my life was very carefree, as if, like, I have all the time on earth, and, किसी भी चीज के लिए restriction नहीं था, right? I mean, I felt that I was not restricted. So, personally, if you ask me, I think I was a party animal. बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टी भी करती थी, and yes, I was a smoker, which after the diagnosis, जैसे डॉक्टर भाटिया ने बोला कि smoking is totally no, from that day I have quit, and that was in 2015. So it's been 9 years. I haven't smoked. I mean, kabhi kabar maybe, but no. I mean, like, I used to smoke before, right? So I have quit. I used to be a party animal, and yeah, I used to drink also, obviously. वो भी बहुत कम हुआ है, I must say, right? So I think these changes has definitely happened. ये जो changes है, ये तो मतलब कि देखने वाले changes है, right? But the unseen kind of a change also, maybe I have accepted that my life, how it was before MS, it cannot continue the same way, right? So एक होता है ना कि there are restrictions, right? Because you don't know कि कब क्या हो जाए, कब you might just get another attack. So you have to be cautious, right? So that is something that has tremendously changed. I used to travel a lot, right? Even because of my work, I had to travel a lot. So every time I was at the airport, first thing I used to do was hit the section where I'm buying a packet of cigarette and 2 bottles of whatever drink. That has changed. I don't do that anymore. In fact, I don't keep it at all. So I think that is a good change, I suppose so, which MS has brought in me. And other changes are, of course, like, I don't, I feel burdened. I mean, I'm admitting that, right? थोड़ा सा लगता है कि, like, you have to always look over your shoulder and walk kind. जैसे डॉक्टर द्विवेदी ने एक बार मुझे कहा था that MS is very unpredictable. And I have gone through that myself. I've realized that in my life too, in this 9 years of MS journey. It is definitely unpredictable. Kyuki aaj you are absolutely fine, you are walking, you are talking, and you don't know कि कब कौन सा attack आ जाए, right? और attacks का भी list तो है नहीं. So, even if something unusual happens, you have to be a little scared कि कहीं ये MS का attack तो नहीं है kind, right? So that question mark is always there. Like I told you in the previous video, right? I was getting these knee joint pain हो रहा था, so I was a little scared कि is it because of MS kind? No, I don't know. अभी अपने आप ठीक हो गया. I mean, so I don't know. In fact, I even bought a knee pad and I was wearing it. These kind of छोटी मोटी चीजें है ना, ये काफी ज़्यादा होता है. So I think my life before MS, I was free, man. Honestly, I was totally free. I was like a happy-go-lucky kind of a person, I guess. ऐसे I used to live जैसे कि I am on top of the world kind of thing. I never felt burdened, but now I feel. I mean, I feel burdened. I don't know about you guys, but I do feel कि I'm carrying it with me. That's, and it's very heavy, honestly, trust me. I feel that there's something very heavy and I'm carrying it. Ab, I really can't do anything about it also, right? I have to carry it till death do us apart. Wow, such a heavy thing to say, but then again, that's a fact and that's a reality, right? um, I wish I could change. Yes, of course. If I get a chance, I wish I could change. I wish sometimes कि ये काश नहीं होता. I mean, लगता है, काफी बार लगता है, कि काश नहीं होता. Life would have been free. Life would have been uncomplicated. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा डर डर के जीना नहीं पड़ता. एंड you won't have to be scared of the unknown कि अभी I'm fine, I'm doing pretty good, and then अभी पता नहीं आगे जाके क्या होगा. So that fear of unknown जो होता है ना, that scares me, honestly. I will admit that वो होता है, right? क्योंकि नहीं पता कि कब तक ऐसा चलेगा या कब तक होगा. I don't know, but then like I'm just taking each day maybe as it comes, and because can't help it. I don't have anything in my hands. I don't have anything to control, right? I think all I can do is maybe just control my mind and my thoughts. But yeah, sometimes it overpowers. Then I just listen to some good music, and then I love dancing. I used to go for my salsa classes. I've done that for 1 year, long time back, when ms ka kuch was not a part of my life. So I used to do that, and I love dancing. So yeah, when I feel low, that's what I do. I just music लगा लेती हूँ और dance कर देती हूँ अकेले ही, and just it just peps me up. And that's what I do to change my mood, because I think music helps. Whatever kind of music you like, you can also try. It definitely helps. I think it's just about changing your thought process. Whenever I feel a little low, जैसे ये होता है ना कि कभी कभार की सोचने लग जाती हूँ, क्यों हुआ यार, काश नहीं होता. I want my previous life back, but अब वो तो मिलने वाला है नहीं ना. अब वो तो हो गया, can't do anything about it. फिर just to get rid of that thoughts, yeah, I just like listen to some blasting music maybe, and just dance it out, and just like it goes away, it fades away. So yeah, that's how I cope. So yeah, I think a lot of things has changed. In fact, my life has totally changed. If I have to tell you, it's just gone, like, what to say, upside down, maybe that's the right word. Yeah, मतलब पूरा का पूरा life ही ऐसा feel होता है कभी कभार कि complete life upside down हो गया. I mean, maybe for good, I guess, or bad, I don't know. Maybe for good, that's what I can say, because a perspective change हुआ है life में. One thing that I've understood is that nothing is forever, and you have to look for happiness in the smallest of thing. क्योंकि कल किसने देखा है, right? कल nobody can guarantee. I don't know about tomorrow, because all I have is now, and all I have is today. So whatever happiness that I can bring to myself, I try to do it today. So yeah, at times it pinches, but then I think you have to take it with a pinch of salt and just get over it. That's what I would say. I'm sure the same thing might have happened to a lot of you. Life पहले कुछ और होता होगा शायद, और अब totally कुछ और है, right? But जो भी है अब यही है, right? And this is what I and you have to live with. So I think we just take it positively, and take it as one day at a time, and I'm sure it's going to be good, I guess. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.